Welcome to Charleston New Homes Guide, Ride with the Guide. I'm Keely Bird, your local new construction expert. Today I'm in Nexton, in the Midtown portion of it, with Courtney Heustess of Pulte Homes. Courtney, thank you so much for having me today.
Absolutely, I'm so glad you're able to stop by.
And we are here to talk about the Lily Townhomes, right?
Yes, our Lily Townhomes, they are in Midtown, Nexton. We have 16 total that we will be building, 3 buildings total as well. So our Lily floor plan is very versatile. So our interior townhomes offer a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, but we understand that some people need additional bedrooms. So our in-town home offers a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. So it really gives you the flexibility to pick which floor plan would fit your needs and what you're looking for in a home.
Awesome. I love this kitchen here. I know this is not the Lily model. I can't wait to come see it when it is finished, but are some of the features that we're seeing right now going to be features in the new townhomes?
Yes, so our design agents do a great job pre-selecting all of the design options for our townhomes. What you see here are our stainless steel gas appliances. We typically do upgrade all of the townhomes to those because we are a natural gas community. And then what you see here is an exterior white kitchen cabinet, and then you can't see them, but we have a stone gray kitchen island cabinet. So every once in a while we will do a 2-tone just to kind of mix it up. And then these are our granite countertops. We offer a wide variety of colors, but granite does come standard in all of our kitchens.
Awesome. And I know they're move-in ready. I know that you said you're coming in somewhere around the mid-3s, all said and done. So tell me a little bit about, the lifestyle and about what you're getting when you purchase one of the Lily townhomes.
Yeah, great point. So with our Lily townhomes, not only are you getting quality, but the location is great too. So everyone's trying to move to Nexton. It is our #1 master plan community. And so with the convenience of I-26 and then Nexton Square and coming in the mid-3s, I mean, you really are getting your chance to be in Nexton, but also getting that maintenance-free lifestyle with the townhome as well.
Yeah, it's such a good value here. I mean, I know how things have gotten, it's so competitive, prices are rising, but to be able to get a Pulte quality build, all in, maintenance-free lifestyle in the mid-3s, plus have access to all this stuff over here in Nexton. I mean, everybody loves the shopping, the restaurants, and I know that Midtown, they have a bunch of amenities planned, correct?
So they do. So Midtown Amenity Center will be ready in spring of next year. It's going to have a resort-style pool with a clubhouse, a fitness center, some tennis courts and pickleball as well. You'll have a couple of parks throughout the community that will have some cornhole and horseshoe, and then there will be a disc golf course very close to the townhomes actually.
Oh, fun. So you can live a really active lifestyle, and when you don't have to mow your lawn or take care of your house, you get to actually enjoy everything that they have to offer in this area. That's so cool. So I know that we've briefly touched on a lot of things happening, but if you guys want, more in-depth information, Courtney is happy to answer any questions. Tell me about your office hours. Does it require appointments? Are people allowed just to pop in, or?
So either or, whichever works best for you guys. You can stop by if you need to make an appointment based on your schedule, just so you make sure you have blocked off time with me. You can do that. We are open most days 10 to 6. The only days we're open 12 to 6 are Wednesday and Sunday. If for whatever reason your schedule does not accommodate those hours, let us know and we'll try to work with you so that we can get you in and see what you're looking for in a new home.
Yeah, I really think that this value is hard to beat. I can't wait to see the new Lily model. So thanks so much for meeting with me today, Courtney. I really appreciate it.
Yes, I'm glad to have you out, and I hope to see you guys as well soon.
Thanks for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide. Definitely come check out these Pulte townhomes with Courtney. We really appreciate you guys tuning in today. Thanks, y'all.